Alright, let's go over Jingle Bells. So first I'm going to go over the melody, and then I'm going to go over the chords and the melody. So first, the melody starts on 3 of our right hand. Okay? And you do not need to move your right hand anywhere else to shift. You just need to keep it right between C and G, okay? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now what we're going to do is we're going to move this up an octave to match with chords on our right hand. So for our right hand we have C. Later on we will have F, back to C, our new chord D to G, and then repeat the pattern C, 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 F, C, G, back to C. Okay, and we're all keeping these in the same shape for our hand, okay? We're not inverting the chords or anything like that, okay? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... And remember, you can change the speed of the YouTube video in the settings in order to play along. Okay? Thank you so much for watching.